doing a review, a first impression, a hair tutorial, not makeup, but hair today, on Drybar's newest product. This is the Mixologist interchangeable styling iron. This just came out the other day and I knew I had to get it and review it for you guys. I paid for overnight shipping just to get it and do this review for you guys. I love, love, love Drybar. I love their products. I love the company, the brand. I love their hot tools. Everything that I have tried from them just exceeds my expectations. They are just so good. So there are 3 different attachments. There is a 1-inch wand attachment, a 1.25 curling iron attachment, and then a waver attachment. So let's open it up. Everything comes in plastic. So here is the 1-inch wand attachment. Here is the waver attachment. And then here is the curling wand attachment. And it also came with this cute little bag to store everything inside of it. And then it also comes with just the instructions, the limited warranty little packet. The Mixologist retails for $1.99 and I think it's totally worth it. You get 3 different attachments, you get the quality of Drybar's products. I haven't even used it yet, but I know it's gonna be bomb, so let's go ahead and try it out. So you just snap the tool in place and then there's 2 little things on the side where you press them both and it comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it to 370. I usually do in between 350 and 380. And first I'm gonna use some of Drybar's Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Spray. I love this heat protectant, it's so, so good. I make sure to section my hair off so I also can put the heat protectant on the under side of my hair. Okay, let's get into this. I'm gonna take just this big of a section and go to town. So as you can see, it's just giving like a nice little wave and it is very hot and I only have it at 360. So keep that in mind. I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my hair. My camera is overheating, I'm so sorry you guys. So I'm gonna finish up the underside of my hair, have my camera cool down, and then I will finish the top. Okay, got the bottom half complete. Now we're gonna do the top. And I have been noticing, usually I don't like to leave hot tools on my hair for too long, but if you want a more deeper wave, then I've just been counting to 10 seconds, like super fast, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is giving me the perfect amount of wave. And I'm pretty much just doing like 1-inch sections. I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my hair off camera because it's pretty much just the same thing over and over. I'm taking 1-inch sections, holding the barrel there in each little part for 10 seconds and then moving on to the next section. So I will be back when I have completed my whole head of hair. Now I'm gonna take another Drybar product. This is called the Kicker Finishing Spray Wax to just add a little bit more texture and make these waves a little bit more defined. I just spray it into my hand, rub it together. I also like to use a little bit of what's left over on my roots to smooth out any frizzies and flyaways. And then to finish everything off, I'm also going to use the Chaser High Shine Finishing Cream. And this is just gonna give a nice soft glossy finish and also help with the frizz. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result on the hair, and I am obsessed with this hairstyle. I love the effect the waver gave to my hair. I feel like a straight up mermaid. It's just the perfect beachy, wavy, just goodness. This waver was super easy to use and it got really hot even at 360. So I think next time I'll try 350. That's usually what I like to keep my hot tools at, is 350, so it doesn't damage your hair. And my hair just feels so soft, so silky. I absolutely love Drybar's hot tools. That's how it makes my hair feel whenever I use anything from them. And as I was waving my hair, I realized I do have a hair waver from Bedhead. It works good, but it just made my hair just feel like kind of fried, and I think it's because I couldn't keep the Bedhead waver on my hair for too long like I could with this one, because the Bedhead just gets so hot, you can't control the temperature, and it just does not even compare to this. I am obsessed. Like I said, I do have another curling wand from Drybar, and this is the Wrap Party Curling and Styling Wand. And I wanted to show you guys just the difference between this original one and the new Mixologist attachment. So this is the Wrap Party Curling and Styling Wand, and it does have a 1 to 1.25 inch tapered barrel, and that just means that the bigger side, the 1.25, is up here, and then the 1 inch is down here, so it just creates a different style of curl. And the new wand attachment on the Mixologist is just a 1 inch barrel straight up and down. It is not tapered, so that is the difference between the two. I'll show you guys up close. The curling wand is actually my favorite way of curling my hair. It's just super easy for me and my long hair, and I'm really excited to try the 1 inch barrel out. And then this one, I have never really mastered how to use a curling iron with a clamp. So I'm gonna try to teach myself how to do it, because now I have it. So right now is the perfect time to learn. And if you guys know any YouTube video hairstyles where I could learn how to use this, please let me know so I can teach myself how to use this other attachment, because I need to learn. That's gonna wrap up this video on the new Mixologist from Drybar. I really hope this review and hair tutorial helped you guys out if you were thinking about purchasing it or not. Like I said in the beginning of my video, I think their products are well worth the money. It's a good investment, and I have tried other hot tools before, and I just keep going back to Drybar products because they just keep my hair healthier and just shinier, and they are well worth the money. It's worth the investment, and I don't want my hair dying and just being fried from using cheap ass hair tools. So keep that in mind, because I know there are other wavers and curling irons. There's tons of them out there. I know people are obsessed with the wavers from Amazon, but I don't even want to risk it and risk my hair being damaged. I will stick to the products that I know and love. So yeah, that is my review on this hair tool from Drybar, the Mixologist. So give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video, if you like hair tutorials. I know I don't do a lot of hair things on my YouTube channel. It's mostly makeup, but I really wanted to review this for you guys since it just came out, and you know I love reviewing those hot, fresh, new beauty and makeup items for you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.